YouTube. Welcome to my YouTube channel.
Mm-hmm.
So, there was this beat, but anyways, right now
What kind of a beat are you
I
referring
have
to?
Franklin So Barbershop, but I was listening to this beat and
Which
I
kind of
feel
beat are you
like
referring to, my bro?
I just
I know
wanted to
people
share
don't see
what I
my
did on
head
this
and he
beat,
doesn't know that I'm
but I
talking
feel
through
like
the
it's
mic.
fire and the trap,
Well,
like it's a trap beat.
my mic is
So
actually
if you're new
on
to
and
the
I'm
channel, make sure
hiding
you
in the other
subscribe,
room
comment, like, and
and
share.
I'm
I
listening to
just want to show
whatever
you
he's saying
what happened with
and I
this
just want
beat,
to oppose
and I
whatever he's
hope
saying
this
right
video
now.
won't get a copyright because my
Yeah,
previous video there was a copyright, and I
it
don't
has to
feel
have a
much
copyright if
excited
it's a
about that.
sample.
But
The
anyways,
word sample
if you're
means
new to the channel, you
things
know what
that
to do.
you
Like, make
are
sure you subscribe,
trying
comment, like, and share
to
all my videos because
consolidate
I'm going to
ain't
provide like great
yours.
content. Ay, may mo ka ba ako? Ah! Oh, muna. Video ka daw flow. Kumawan na. So yeah, man, you and I can agree that the beat is fire, bro. Like, honestly, that was crazy. It was insane. It was insane. You know. Um, I don't know what to say, but as you can see on my master channel, or like how many patterns I have when I was making beat is only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 patterns, and on my master channel it's only FX equalizer to cut out the lows and make sure my sample is not bad. And I hope I don't get copyright for this sample because of my previous sample. And I used the FX tuner to get the key for the sample, which I found on Splice, and yeah, that was simple. Guys, as a music producer, I love honest feedback. Like, I love to get feedbacks from other music producers or from other artists or from other content creators what you think about the video. Like, comment down below and tell me what you think about the video quality, the beat, and everything. So I feel like the strings on this beat, like as I was listening to the beat, I feel like the strings is fighting with the main sample, so it's messing up the whole beat. But nonetheless, everything is good. Like the drums is good. I don't know. You what you think, man? What you think? Hit or trash? Tell me in the comment section. Like and subscribe all my videos. So yeah, man. Thanks for watching. So I feel like okay, maybe I should master the strings. Maybe I should do something on the reverb, FX reverb to try to change it a little bit, and yeah, while I was making it anyways. But I, did, I feel like it's sounding too much. It's sounding too much. So if I can change it, maybe cut the highs, cut the lows, use an FX equalizer, and just to make it sound down. Unless if I am failing to change it, then I will have to decrease the volume and make sure that the sample is the one that is leading the drums, is leading the whole beat, not the opposite. But I feel like the beat is fire, man, and I hope the artist who's gonna jump on this beat will kill it the same way I did. Like, oh, the drums is crazy. I love this beat so much, man. I'm always like playing it, and I didn't arrange it. Like, this is not the final product. I still have to go and master it 10 times. 10 times mastering the same thing. But anyways, man, thanks for watching. For real, for real.